In this video, I'm going to show you how you can start earning affiliate commissions right away, without any need for niche research, without writing any product reviews, without making any videos, because it is all already done for you. There's lots of ways to earn affiliate commissions, but the easiest way by far? YouTube. I probably don't have to tell you this, but video marketing is still sizzling hot in 2017. YouTube has over 1 billion users, almost a third of all people on the internet, and every day people watch hundreds of millions of hours of YouTube videos and generate billions of views. So how does that help you? Hi, my name is Steve Chase, and I have been creating videos for over 10 years. I know what works and what doesn't. I know how to craft videos that sell without being salesy. Now, the reason I am sharing this with you is because I think it's about time that someone offered high-converting, top-quality videos that struggling affiliates just like you can use in order to finally start making commissions. Because when you have a look out there, you find so much garbage and cookie-cutter affiliate products that are an absolute waste of time. But luckily for you, that won't happen here. I've teamed up with Val Wilson, and together we've created, tweaked, and fine-tuned 10 done-for-you, high-quality affiliate video reviews that are incredibly powerful and targeted to highly profitable niches with hungry buyers. These 10 state-of-the-art, profit-inducing video reviews that I am offering to you right now have high-quality content that effectively pre-sells people and literally forces them to buy from your affiliate link. You see, that is the part of video marketing that most people get wrong. It's not just about creating any video and putting it out there. To actually make you any money, your video needs to warm up your prospects, make them really want to buy the product being reviewed. Affiliate Video Power Pack is a set of 10 high-quality, profit-generating affiliate review videos that you can use in YouTube to make affiliate commissions without the need to spend endless hours creating them. In fact, believe it or not, you only have to plug them into YouTube, promote a product, and you are ready to generate profits. As simple as that. If you don't want to create your own affiliate review videos, or you just don't have the time or experience, then this is the perfect solution for you. Take advantage of the video marketing craze and start cashing in the easy way. Click the buy button below now.